How can you fix your photo mode missing on your TikTok profile? So first of all, you need to be logged in with your TikTok account and then go to your profile section, click on three horizontal lines on the top right corner and go to My Settings and Privacy. Then after, scroll down to Report a Problem. And now tap on Account and Profile. Then go to your editing profile and expand it and go to Other. Now simply tap on Need More Help. And here just write, I am currently missing my TikTok photo in my account. I need this to be fixed and just submit. All right. Now the TikTok team will get back to you within 20 to 48 hours to fix your problem. This is how you can fix the photo mode missing on your TikTok profile. If you found this video helpful, do not forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel for more amazing updates. Thank you. See you in the next video.